I'm going to teach you how to make your sprite not go through walls. If you have seen my first tutorial, which we made this, how to make your sprite move with arrow keys, you will have this code. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make it not go through walls. First things first, you draw a sprite, which is going to be your wall. Make sure to get this tool. Then you can draw a rectangle or a square or any shape. Make sure the outline of this shape is the same color as the fill. So if you want to make it the same color, you get the pipette and you do like that, and it's the same color, the outline. Let's put it there. So we're going to be making a similar code to this, just a tiny bit different. First we will get a if something block then, and we will get a and block. So if touching color, we get the pipette and we get this color. If touching this purple color and right key pressed, so which means we're moving from probably this direction to the right. We will change x by -10, because when you go from the right, we do change x by 10. So we're moving this way. If we touch it, we change x by -10, which makes us stop and not go through the wall. Now we will duplicate this. If you don't know how to do it, you press Control, click, and you can duplicate it, put it there. And now if touching color purple and key left arrow pressed, change x by 10, because when we go from the left, we change x by -10, we hit it, change x by 10, and you stop. Remember to save it. Now we do the up arrow, duplicate, and if up arrow key pressed, remember we don't do change x, we do change y by -10, because up arrow key pressed, you'll go in change y by 10, you go 10 10 10, you hit it, change y by -10, you stop. And now finally, if touching color purple and key down arrow pressed, change y by 10, because if you're going down, change y by -10, you go down 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 down, you hit it, change y by 10, and you stop. And now remember to put it in the forever loop. And now we'll put it here, because the sprite starts in 0 0. So, and here it doesn't go through the wall. Let's check on here. Doesn't go through the wall. Here doesn't go through the wall. Up doesn't go through the wall. So here it now works. Thanks for watching. I'll soon be making more easy tutorials for people who are not that advanced at Scratch and want to learn more good easy code. Thank you for watching.